Hello and welcome to another video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to export WhatsApp chat to another phone. So to do this, you have just to go open your WhatsApp account, and after that, go to any chat that you want to export. Click on the three dots on the top right of the screen, click on More, and after that choose Export Chat. And here you have the choice to include media or without media, and of course if you choose including media, this will increase the size of the chat export. So for example, I will click Include Media. You have to wait just a few seconds, and in these few seconds, like after that, you can choose where you want to export or how you want to export this chat, so you can send it via Bluetooth to another phone easily. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in a new video.